So unfortunately, y'all, Sway crashed my Hellcat Redeye. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on post notifications, watch this video from beginning to end, and don't skip no ass throughout the whole video. Anything you gotta say to him, brother?
Hey, man.
Why'd you do it? You gotta watch the video to find out. How it's looking. What y'all think about how it look? Drop a comment below right now and let me know. I don't know how much longer y'all think I got with this drag radius right here. I got burnt rubber on the back of the motor. Look at that, I broke this joint right here. That's crazy. Big burnt rubber, that's stuff. Oh man, I'm gonna be stuck on there for real. For permanent type, I don't wanna get hit by this Tesla type, but yeah, that's rubber falling all off there. Y'all see that? Crazy, right? But yeah, I don't know, Sway. I don't like the way it look, bro.
What?
Look raggedy and mismatchy.
It does show the dirt, and the caliper does fit the wheel. It matches the wheel, but rock the line with the skinnies, the brake caliper was showing a whole lot. It did look good. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, with the skinnies, I just think it all around looked better, and the brake caliper did show better. I agree with you on that.
But you gotta care about safety, though.
Huh?
You gotta care about safety.
You gotta care about safety, brother. And going around turns, I know we're not supposed to be driving with it like that on the freeway and on the side streets, all like that. So that made me kind of not so confident driving it.
I ain't gonna lie, I was driving it.
Yeah, because you had my Hellcat Redeye for about 2-3 days, brother.
Yeah, and then so I was gonna ask you, like, because you told me like $50,000 the car I got paid for it. So once
You break, you buy.
yeah.
Okay.
So I noticed that like when I hit like 80, 85, 90, like it starts to feel the shake. So
Mm-hmm.
So I didn't know if that was like me, because first night I was cruising because we had to. I was a little scared to goddamn push it because I was trying to pay for shit.
Right.
So then on the way back the next morning, I was like, fuck. I'm just like, what's the worst thing that happens? Engine blow up. That's
blow another engine.
Yeah, I don't want to happen. But then I was like, okay, let me push it. So I didn't can't, because honestly, you can't push the car. By the time you tap on the pedal for 2 seconds, you're already going like a $110.
That's true.
So you can't really like, actually forward.
Right.
Tap it's gone. So
It do hook up a lot better with those tires than the 40 in the back.
60, so there was, I ain't trying to tell him, so there was another car.
But go ahead, brother. Tell
Yeah,
yourself.
go on.
Self-incriminate.
Okay, fuck it. Hey, man. I hired a lawyer. I hired his lawyer. So, there was a Charger Hellcat. I was going to your crib the next morning, and we was smashing, right? So then, we wasn't racing, but we...
Y'all were racing.
No, we wasn't.
That yellow one's fire right there, Sway.
We went to 60, to 65, 70, because Hellcats can't really do a 50, 60 roll with a Hellcat, because unless you're on a tire, you can do that. But if you're on a stock tire, he's at stock tire, you can't really do a 60 roll on the Hellcat. You're just gonna spin to a point.
Right.
So we was like 75, a 70 rolls, and we hit it, and I noticed that once I hit like 90, 95, you feel like a shake, and I thought I was the dad. The fucking the calipers, goddamn, is deformed. Is the word deformed? Yeah. So
I don't know. I'm just agreeing with you.
I paid for a new caliper. I was like, man. Yeah.
But you said it started shaking around 80, 90, right?
Yeah.
Which I agree with. But it also did it in the
this is
TRX.
worse. You can't go past 80.
No, that's with the 37 tires. The 35s are back on now.
Oh, you're a stock tire. Oh, thank God. God damn, now we got to go. All right, fine. All right. Can I drive this back now? I ain't gonna lie, 'cause
I don't know which one. Now, neither one of them are safe with you in it, because this was safe with you in it because it had the skinny, so you couldn't do that much. Now, this was safe with you because those 37s kept you at below 90, below 100 for sure. So now both of them aren't safe with you in it because now they're both not as scary.
But I'm So I drive this a lot, so I'm more comfortable in this, like naturally than this.
Okay.
Dang, while I was driving this, I was like, man, first of all, the fucking hood is 6 foot, 6 foot long, so you gotta really like, no. That, I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't seem as high no more for some reason.
Yeah, because,
Like,
I mean,
well,
you did
tired.
technically crash my Hellcat, so I get...
No, what are you talking about?
Huh?
No, I'm talking about the height of this, nigga.
Oh, I know. You were talking about the 6 foot long hood. Squidward
yeah.
nose. You want to show him that?
Man,
Because you technically did crash.
At this point, I just stitched myself, so the fans after me, you guys, this track right there, little track.
Oh, it is on the Mook right there. Yep.
Anyways, track off Sway, not coming soon.
Right.
Never. Anyway, since I already told myself, look, I call this, so it's a Hellcat, right? A Hellcat is like a tiger, lion, but it's a cat in a way. It's a cat in a way. So I figured this right here would be the signature fucking Hellcat claw.
Right.
So I said one day I'm gonna get food, and then I'm gonna leave out the garage, and then I'm gonna crash to a bush.
Right.
So I crashed to a bush, but only because I was leaving, and then the car stalled.
What was it? Why?
The car stalled, and then I
Tell the truth.
No, it did.
No, I was watching you.
Okay, it felt like it was gonna die, so I tapped on it, and then I didn't break in time.
Okay, there we go. And then it cut off.
Yeah, then it said, "Did you need issue?" The car went silent, and I was like, "Fuck." And he was like, "Sway, no, what the fuck you doing?" I was like, "Oh, man, look, the shit died, brother. The broke ass car died." So then,
And I'm like, nigga, I see you. And then he was like, okay, I crashed.
yeah, so I tried to wipe it off. A lot came off, but these are scratches, bro.
So
So shout out to Reflections. That gave us a reason to take my car back to Reflections and get something done and get a orange wrap on here. The troll's gonna come back, but guess what, man? Look, I'm a troll too. So I'm gonna tell y'all where and why and the reason why I crashed. Look, I crashed on purpose because I have redemption against this guy because he beats me in play every day. I said, fuck it, man. I'm gonna take his Hellcat without permission and just crash that bitch in a tree. So technically, I'm not lying. I did crash into, well, it wasn't a tree, but bush. But tree
it's
bush.
a bush with a lot of sticks.
Yeah, same family. The trees come from the seeds, and it go to the seed root, and then it grows to the tree.
SRTF, seed, root, tree, fruit, brother. You said it all type.
No. I was getting
Shout out to my dog, Mr. Organic, man. Subscribe.
Yeah,
follow my Instagram.
do it anyway.
So where'd you crash, brother? Because can y'all tell where Sway
From
crashed?
here to, yeah, pretty much the shit.
You fucked up the whole rap tape. Look.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
Because you cannot get this out. I told my dog Tony at Reflections Detail, make sure you subscribe and follow my
Sorry,
Instagram.
Tony, man. Had the car back for Tony for like not even a month, huh?
Yeah, excuse me, yeah. And then you crashed. And then I trust Sway, because Sway's a good driver. Even though you happen to have a lot of hiccups with cars, you're a good driver.
I don't think it.
You are a really good driver. So when he pulled out my garage, you know, it's always the Urus and the Hellcat in the garage, and Sway pulled out and he crashed into some bushes.
No, you know what it is though. So because usually the Hellcat is on the Urus side, so I was used to pulling out. I think it was easy. But yeah, for this time it was a little tight. Now you gotta. I'm used to fit in tight places, but this time you have to fit in tight place and try to move with it too. Yeah,
I hear you with the vocabulary, Sway.
Yeah, so unfortunately this time I wasn't able to fit in a tight place and turn with it. So that's what happened. But
So you try to do like the hip move, like boom, boom.
because the hip, I know a lot. The hip
You gotta
is
use the hips,
important.
brother.
You gotta use full. So if you're new to the channel, listen here, like, comment, subscribe, and follow me too. But
Yeah, absolutely. Subscribe and follow my
it's a
Instagram.
2019 Hellcat Redeye. It's a red eye because he bought it red, and he got the red eye, red key.
Okay.
Some, I don't know. But the car originally is red, so they wrapped Tony in places. They wrapped it satin or matte black. It's a little good either way. But the car is originally red, so
Messing up right here too.
this part right here is actually.
Oh damn, you knocked the wrap off right there.
Yeah, I thought you seen that. Hey.
I didn't see that till just now. Damn, so
God damn it.
yeah, you did stitch on yourself. I didn't even notice that.
But
That's crazy.
it gives it a good look, though, right?
No, Sway.
No, so it's like a
He jamming.
Shit. Speed down here, but look, so this gives this a good contrast. So you know how my forest carbon gives them orange good contrast. This gives it like a it's like a livery.
You say it's giving like a medicine look like the scar when it's like the 3 stripes.
Yeah, because you know Scar from Lion King. That's like right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
So,
you know, and 3 of them are called his super stock Scar.
Yeah. So I'm bringing back Scar to the family, man. Well, even though it's still in the family, but in the family.
Okay. So Sway saying it looked like the little medicine 3-stripe mook right there.
Yeah, because Scar.
I have Sway insert a picture or something.
Yeah, because Scar had the fucked up scar on his, I think it was left eye too. It was left eye too, so.
I believe so.
Left eye right there.
Okay, so I see how you put it together, all the pieces to the puzzle.
Because you like animals, and then the Scar eye matches sort of with the T-Rex, because there was dinosaurs in Lion King.
There was.
Come on, man. Fucking smart. I'm smart.
There definitely. I don't believe there was dinosaurs in Lion King.
No, there was. What was that?
It's not a dinosaur. I don't know why I even agree with you.
What was it? No, it was a pterodactyl. I think it was pterodactyl. No, it wasn't.
You know what I'll say? Dinosaurs are technically alligators, and alligators are technically dinosaurs.
Yeah.
But I don't think there was no alligators in there. But I was just thinking of the jungle and the alligator being like a prehistoric type. You know, like dinosaurs, but you know, I was trying to see how you was putting together. I was trying to catch you the benefit out, brother. But there's no dinosaurs in Lion King, brother.
Yeah, I was trying to go talk like how you and 3 do it to where the people.
I try to stick with you too, brother. I tried to say yeah for sure, but then I said, come on, brother. That was a stretch.
I was trying, man. It didn't work. But anyway, shit. Hey, the blue contrast like Scar. So is my Crocs matching? Look, is my Crocs? Well, okay, this is Spider-Man, and this is the nigger version of Thomas the Train. Look, you got zoom in.
Okay,
see?
I got zoom in.
This is a nigga Thomas the Train, right? Black with the red. Black with the red.
With the crash part. Okay.
And you see his eye a little fucked up. The eye a little fucked up left eye too. So
well, hey brother, I just got one question. Would you mind flipping on that camera, brother, and give him some of that good shit because this video's over? Thank you, brother.